Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert picture in MS Word document. So first of all, open MS Word program. Now click on insert. Here is the option pictures. Click on it. Now select the picture which you want to insert. After selecting, click on insert. Now you can easily resize by dragging like this. So that's it. By this easy and simple setting, you can insert any picture in MS Word document. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.